Imagine a paycheck that arrives every single month for the rest of your life, independent of your labor. This system generates income without your direct involvement, allowing you to stop working for money and instead have your money work for you. Over the next 6 minutes, we will transition your role in the economy. You are moving from a passive consumer into an active investor. We are working towards 2 specific outcomes. First, you will activate an automated wealth machine. Second, you will calculate your exact financial freedom number. Before continuing, grab your smartphone. You will need to log in to your online banking application and open a calculator. Gathering these tools is the first step in this process. It bridges the gap between the concept of wealth and the execution of a tangible plan. Step 1 is deciding on a specific percentage of your income to keep and invest forever. This is your Freedom Fund. Aim for at least 10% of your current earnings. Knowledge only becomes power through execution. Use your banking or HR portal now to prepare an automated transfer. This chart shows the compound interest from daily investments over decades. Look at $15 a day, $450 a month. Over 50 years, that consistent investment grows into nearly $7.8 million. Pause the video now. Physically set up a recurring automated transfer from your checking account into your investment account before you proceed. By clicking Automate, you have turned a financial theory into an active reality. Your system now generates growth while you sleep. You may be dealing with an internal narrative that the financial system is rigged, or that you do not earn enough to build wealth. These stories are often a result of a fear of failure. In reality, anyone can operate this system once they commit to the mechanics of the plan. You can use financial stress as a tool. Scientific research suggests that when you reframe stress as your body's way of energizing you for a challenge, it becomes a resource for growth rather than a roadblock. Mastering the mechanics of money is ineffective until you address these internal barriers and commit to the execution of your plan. Chasing a vague, massive number often leads to paralysis. To make progress, you need an exact, personalized target. This worksheet will help calculate your exact requirements. First, write down the total monthly cost of your current lifestyle, your baseline for financial independence. Next, identify 2 or 3 specific luxury items, like a vacation home, and add their estimated monthly costs. Now, add the monthly amount you intend to set aside for charitable donations. Add your monthly lifestyle costs, your luxuries, and your donations together. Multiply that sum by 12 to reveal your final financial freedom number. Defining this exact figure changes your perspective. You are no longer guessing. You are playing an achievable game with a clear finish line. To reach that number faster, use the strategy of mindful savings. This is your primary tool for speeding up your timeline. Find one recurring, unnecessary expense in your budget today. Cut it, and immediately add that dollar amount to your automated Freedom Fund transfer. You must also use asset allocation to protect your growth. This means diversifying your investments so you are not reliant on a single market. Proper diversification ensures that a market downturn does not destroy the timeline you just calculated. You are protecting the machine you've built. In 6 minutes, you have moved from a passive observer of your finances to an architect of your future. Your automated transfer is set, your internal stories have been addressed, your target number is defined, and your acceleration plan is active. Mark Twain observed that the secret of getting ahead is getting started. By taking these actions, you have already navigated the most difficult phase of the process. Continue to add value to the marketplace and increase your income. Every additional dollar you earn can be fed into your automated wealth machine. Consistent automated discipline builds the critical mass required to reclaim control over your time. This is how you achieve true independence.